All right, VR enthusiasts, let's dive in. Today I'm going to walk you through the setup of your brand new MetaQuest 3. If you're ready to step into the immersive world of VR, buckle up, because it's about to get exciting. First things first, unbox your MetaQuest 3. Inside, you'll find the headset, controllers, charging cables, and a power adapter. Make sure everything is there and in good condition. Now, let's power up the headset by holding down the power button on the side until you see the Meta logo. Next, you'll need to download the MetaQuest app on your smartphone. This app will be your best friend for the setup process. Open the app, sign in, or create a Meta account if you don't have one already. Once you're logged in, follow the on-screen prompts to pair your headset with your phone using Bluetooth. Now let's talk about setting up your Guardian boundary. Put on your headset and follow the instructions for tracing your play area. Make sure to clear any obstacles to avoid accidents while you're immersed in VR. Alright, now it's time to connect to Wi-Fi. Find the Wi-Fi settings in the headset's menu, select your network and enter your password. This will allow you to download games and updates directly to your headset. Speaking of games, let's get some installed. Head to the MetaQuest store within the headset. Browse through the selection or use the search function to find specific titles. Select a game, purchase or download it and wait for it to install. Once it's ready, you can launch it directly from your library. Now let's personalize your experience. Navigate to the settings menu where you can adjust various options like display brightness, sound levels, and controller preferences. Take your time to tweak these settings to your liking for the best experience. For optimal performance, make sure your headset is fully charged before each session. You'll also want to regularly check for software updates to keep your device running smoothly. And remember, take frequent breaks to avoid VR fatigue. There you have it. Your MetaQuest 3 is all set up and ready for action. Dive into those virtual worlds, explore new games, and enjoy the incredible experiences VR has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and VR content. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.